हाँ भाई, तो ये बताओ, ये जो तरह तरह के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं, ये क्या है? So basically, these are the different retractors that we use in oral and maxillofacial surgeries. Very quickly, let me tell you about them. So the first one here is a simple Langenbach retractor, handle, ring for a good grip, connector, and this is the blade with a tilt. So you can reflect any soft tissues with this Langenbach retractor. A similar one of a smaller size is a smaller Langenbach retractor. And this is a simple Langenbach retractor. Now when the tip is curved upward instead of downward, when the tip is curved upwards, we call it a reverse Langenbach retractor. Alright, you can see the difference. This is the simple Langenbach and this is the reverse Langenbach. Alright, this is the difference in the tip. So जब tip नीचे को curved है, it's a simple Langenbach. When the tip is curved upwards, it's a reverse Langenbach retractor. So the next one is this. It's similar to a Langenbach retractor but with a forked tip. You can see that the tip is forked. Okay, so this is called as a forked ramus retractor. Now where do we use it? We use it in the ascending ramus of mandible like this. So whenever we have to retract the fibers of the temporalis upwards, we use this forked ramus retractor. Similar to an Austin's retractor, I've already told you about Austin's retractor. This is the simple tip which can be used to reflect any soft tissues, and this is the forked tip of the Austin's retractor, which is used to reflect the ascending ramus, the soft tissues on the ascending ramus because of that fork which is there. Okay. Other than that, there is this genial retractor which can be used in the chin region of the mandible like this. Very beautifully, it can reflect the soft tissues whenever you're doing a symphysis fracture or a genioplasty or any harvesting of bone graft from the chin region. You can put this retractor like this and very nicely it can reflect the soft tissues of the chin region. So genial retractor. And this, as we all know, is the retractor that we use during our angle plating. So this is the transbuccal trocar cannula and this is the cheek retractor, that we put like this. And this will retract your cheek and this part will go in like this into the patient's mouth through a very small stab incision near the angle region. And this will help in fixing the plates and screws in the angle fracture region. So these are the different retractors we use in oral and maxillofacial surgery.